What's going on, everybody? Roscoe here. We are at Boston Got Soul. It is absolutely jam-packed. I've been walking the floor for just a little bit and there's just nothing but heat. And today, we're gonna be checking out and see what the latest kicks are. We got some money to spend. Hopefully we can pick up something good. We'll have to wait and find out. Those new Yeezy 350 V2 Earths dropped today. Hopefully we get to see them, give you guys a first look. I also wanna let you know, if anybody here is at Boston Got Soul, we'll get a first look. The new Roscoe merch. We're gonna match those Travis Scott dunk. Man, we're gonna paisley print. It's gonna come in 2 colors, even on the back. She fills me up with ideas. Woo, fire. Got this and we got it in pink. Pink is a little bit more limited. That's if you want it a little more flavor, a little bit more sauce. I think it's time to go check out the floor. So let's go. All right, guys, so we met our good friend from Washington, D.C. I met him at SeekerCon DC, and he came all the way up here to Boston to show some love. We got the new 350 V2 Earth, man. I did a live cop this morning. The shoe was so hard to get on Yeezy Supply, but this colorway is so nice. I think this is gonna be so slept on Yeezy. It's a nice earth tone brown, like golden brown. You got a hint of olive in there too. Really, really nice. A lot of people are gonna sleep on it, and this might be maybe top 3, top 5 by the end of the year. I like it, man. Woo, these are fire. Never seen anything like this before.
I go by Swaggy Souls.
Swaggy Souls.
Swaggy Mill, you already know.
UNC Jordan 3s coming out March 7th. These are nice, man. These are nice UNC blue. They really did a good job on this one. Really nice too is how they did the outline on the Jumpman on the tongue. How it's got the outline of that navy blue. That's a nice little touch, man. A lot of people thought they were gonna throw the UNC logo on this, but they can't do that. You got the air on the back and you got the Jumpman logo on the front. But these are nice, man. These will do very well. New Airfare God that's gonna be coming out very soon. They keep pushing back the delay on this one, but as you can tell, it's like a light brown, a nice tan light brown that mixes with the black. I think it's selling for $1,200. These are really nice. This guy's the dunk guy. He's got all the dunk. Yeah, see? He's got all this guy. If you need dunks, yo, this guy. Look at, yo, this guy has these, man. These are unbelievable. How much you selling these again?
People recently just asked me offer for $13,000.
13,000, but he turned it down. Yeah, more than 20K for these right here. These are the MCA, and who's the artist? Cass, yeah. There's like, what, 30 pairs in the world? 40 pairs in the world of those, and he has one of them here. Every time I see these, I'm just like in shock. You don't see these that often anymore.
I know, nobody has them.
Nobody has them. Out of all the tables, nobody has them. They've gone up so much. Definitely one of my favorite Yeezys that he's made. First look at the new Yeezy Quantum lifestyle sneaker, released in Chicago only, man. Yeah, he brought out the shirts. And he drove through Chicago, down Milwaukee Ave, giving them out for free. A lot of people were pissed off that they were only Chicago release only. Man, woo! Full leg boost. You got the prime knit on the side, absolutely fire. Now this is a lifestyle version. There will be a basketball version. The difference between the basketball and this one is that the heel is a totally different shape. It's gonna curve up. This one curves to the side. And there will be like an ankle brace to give you some support. There will be no knit on the side. There will be no suede. It'll be like a plastic. It'll be like a hard plastic. I cannot wait for more colorways of this shoe. First look, man, I'm absolutely amazed. I'm excited to get my pair in and be able to give you guys a look at the shoe. And he's got everything. He's got reverse threads. I mean, the L City I took. Did you go to Chicago?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, you are? From Chicago. He's repping, I like he's repping Garnett jersey though.
The packaging comes with this special bag here.
Oh, the freak burger?
Yeah.
Yo, he comes in a burger box, man.
So yeah.
White Square Designs.
White Square Designs. They got the hookup. They got all the custom cut. They got the Apple Watch braces. I got the Goyard beanie. They just cut the Goyard. Nice gray beanie. Fire. Absolutely fire. So go check them out. White Square Design.
Easy gone.
Got the Sunday service stuff. Oh, what are you selling the hat for, bro?
For
Give
you,
me a deal.
free. I don't know, to be honest. What do you think is a good price for that? I bought it for personal.
And then I got you $2.
Yes, yes, yes.
You too, man.
Good luck.
We got a first look at the first Travis Scott dunks, man. These are coming out next week, man. I think it was on the 28th.
Mark Amato Jr.
Woo!
on IG.
Yo, fact. Mark Amato Jr. These are fire, man. Got the paisley print all across. This comes up, rips open. These are fire, man. We're getting early looks at everything today, man. You got the rope laces on these. These are clean, man. Right? You agree? They're fire, bro. Fire. I like that nice subtle pink swish on the inside. Nike on the back, that's pink. And then you got Cactus Jack on Fat Tongue. On the inside, you have the, again, it's in that paisley print, but it's in that chocolate color.
Let's go, yo. Yo, what up, dope?
So
Model Jr. on IG.
He's got all the unreleased, he's got Quantums, he's got the Fear Gods.
That's my man Bullet Kicks plugging me right there. Bullet Kicks plugging me.
Bullet Kick, go check him out on Instagram, man. He's got the early heat.
Roscoe.
It's good, bro. Thank you, man. Only released in Chicago. Everyone was tight. How'd you get these?
Got lucky.
I'm selling this in pack for 2,000.
Yeah, 2,000? 2,000. He's not the only one in here I've seen, really. These are super limited, only dropped in Chicago. Everyone was so pissed about this release.
1900 release.
If you ask anybody, like I said, everybody that's a Jordan head, they wanted this at an All-Star Weekend. Those Jordan 1s are fire. Absolutely fire.
Go subscribe on YouTube, iSick, fashion content, outfit battles, sneaker customizations, we got it all.
Alright guys, so we're gonna jump on a panel real quick. We're gonna be talking about sneakers. So shout out to Boston Got Soul. I wanna just give a thank you to them. They actually told me to come out here and they invited me to speak on the panel. Hope you guys enjoy.
Hey, here at Boston Got Soul. So members here of the panel joining us today, we have KJ, the man right here, Roscoe Sneakers right here. Sneaker YouTuber creating content around sneaker industry, generating over 5 million views.
The question that I kind of have is, all of you guys have seen some sort of success, however you want to measure that. I want to ask, a lot of these kids are aspiring entrepreneurs, they're aspiring artists. What is, one piece of advice that you can give to these kids that's kind of it's some sort of umbrella where if you want to start something, what's one piece of advice I want from each one of you guys that you'd give these kids?
For me, for YouTube, don't worry about the equipment. Oh, you got a phone, man. Just put a phone up and just have a passion. Most of it, for my content, people like it because of me. It's the personality. Love it. If that's your passion, go for it, man.
Long time watching. We were watching you this morning.
Oh, thank
taking
you.
L's on Earth.
How you doing, little man? Good?
Can I get a picture?
Of course. We got a little bit of an early look at the new upcoming 700 MNVN in the orange colorway. This is going to be releasing on February 28th, and it is a city exclusive. Just like the black pair that released earlier this month, the orange pair is rumored to be releasing in LA, Shanghai, and Paris. That's it. These are super, super limited. They will be out in full family sizing. Now, this retails for $200. This is actually designed by Kristen Tressler, who is actually the guy that designed the Air Max 97. He came up with this design, and honestly, having these in hand, yo, the MNVN looks so much better in the bright colors. And you have this nice neon orange, and you have the 700 that goes right across, all reflective. The big issue with the black colorway that a lot of people felt was that the 700 on the side just wasn't popping. Kind of, the black on black, you didn't really see it unless you hit it with the 3M. This one, I mean, look at it. It's like bold in your face. I absolutely love this colorway. Now, the one thing that's new about this new 700 is that the bungee cord lacing system on this, it's a slip-on shoe, you pull it and it's super, super tight. Now, sizing on these is just like the regular 700s, but the issue is that because of this bungee cord, it's super tight, so it keeps you constricted. Now, you've probably seen Wex, who is the head of Yeezy. He actually cut the bungee cord laces off, and it kind of gave you that extra room. Now, you can cut the laces off on this and switch it out with regular laces if you want. This is highly going to be in demand. A lot of people have been hitting me up about this sneaker. I just feel like with the orange color, this shoe pops. It kind of gives it that designer-esque feel. This shoe just is amazing, man. It's definitely one of my favorite Yeezys for 2020. I'm excited about the orange one. They do have the white colorway coming soon, and then that lime green colorway, woof, that they gave to 6ix9ine Manager. Resale prediction on this shoe is gonna be like $350, $425, depending on the size. They killed it on this. Yeezy coming strong in 2020. Camera guy, get in here. Shout out to the camera guy. All right, guys, so that is a wrap for Boston Got Soul. Peace out. From U7 to Roscoe to the world.